Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope: Taurus, April 20 to May 20. Today is May 15, 2024, Wednesday. Today, being the Mercurian day, we say that we have to be very careful using words, or don't tell anything at all if you are aware that people will not keep your words, or that these words may be used against you. So there's so many problems now all over the earth or the world because of misunderstanding, because of using words that are not likely to be used. Ang araw na ito ay 15 ng Mayo 2024, araw ng Miyerkules. Ang ating pong horoscope sa araw na ito ay pinapag-ingat tayo sa lahat ng mga salita na ilalabas natin sa ating bibig. Maaaring makasama sa atin later on, at kung baga sa kasuhan, maaaring libelo o maaaring paninirampuri nga. Kaya nga, sa ngayon ay pag-ingatin natin ang ating mga dila upang hindi ito maglabas ng salita na maaaring makasakit ng damdamin ng ating kapwa-tao.